Why we buy a bottled water. Why we don't like to drink chlorinated tap water. I want to drink water that has been purified by living organisms, not water that has been treated with chemicals. Before World War II, most of Japan's tap water was made from natural spring water or through British-style slow filtration. It was after the war that chlorine was added to all tap water. The American occupation forces required the addition of chlorine to Japan's water supplies. In the United States, rapid sand filtration was the mainstream, and chlorine addition was essential. Rapid sand filtration is chemical treatment. Are added to cause coagulation and sedimentation, and the supernatant is rapidly filtered. Rapid sand filtration basins get clogged quickly, so backwash them. At this time, turbidity and pathogens pass through. Therefore, filtered water must be sterilized with chlorine. Because rapid sand filtration ponds have a backwashing process, turbidity inevitably passes through them, so Japanese authority has set the clean water turbidity standard for treated water at 2 degrees, 2 mg per liter, for safety. However, dormant spores of Cryptosporidium, one of protozoa, which cannot be killed by chlorine, were passed through the water, resulting in mass diarrhea incidents. And it was decided that advanced treatment should be carried out with the goal of keeping the turbidity of the filtered water below 0.1 degrees, 0.1 mg per liter. Since large amounts of chemicals are added, large amounts of sludge are produced. Disposing of that sludge is difficult. English-style slow sand filtration does not use any chemicals and uses the action of biological communities to break down and remove dirt from water. When the biological community is active, the turbidity of purified water is several orders of magnitude lower than that of rapid sand filter process, and there is nothing for organisms to react to. The turbidity of water purified by slow sand filtration in Ueda and Takasaki cities is always below 0.000 degrees, 0.000 mg per liter. With such super clean water, there will be no contamination inside the water pipes. No scale builds up in the water pipes even after long use. In the case of slow sand filtration, substances that form scale in water pipes are precipitated by biological activity near the surface of the sand layer of the slow sand filtration basin and deposited on the sand surface. Therefore, filtered water has almost no substances that precipitate on the walls of the water pipes. It is the same as underground water veins in the natural world that do not become clogged even though they have been flowing for hundreds of years. Slow sand filtration biodegrades turbidity in raw water and substances that organisms react with. Rapid sand filtration as a chemical treatment was an incomplete and defective treatment. The people who recommended the water supply business made a mistake in introducing rapid sand filtration and did not tell them, so the water supply business is left with nothing to do. Water supply businesses are in deep trouble. The only way to turn a water supply business that has accumulated debt into a debt-free business is to create a purification system that utilizes biological communities. I have explained slow filtration from the perspective of purification through the activities of biological communities. The English version of this booklet, Ecological Purification System, provides a detailed explanation. It can be downloaded from the QR code. Also, there are many videos posted on YouTube, so please refer to them.